getting my modeling in.
Yeah?
Coffee time! Okay, so today we got the flooring, the roof. We might take out, are we taking these panels out, babe?
I don't know yet.
You don't know? Okay, so we might take those out. Alphonse is working on the fuel hose right now. And then we're gonna try and paint this entire floor white. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's she doing?
Opening these up so the rivets will fit.
Oh.
Because this is the old one, the new one won't work, so I gave up on it.
Oh.
Which is a little frustrating, but...
Yeah.
Come on. Actually, I'm just gonna leave that in there.
Make sure that the metal doesn't cut into the hose.
I'm trying not to.
That kind of fits. Are you finished?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Okay.
About as good as it's gonna get.
Uh-huh. And it's held on pretty good?
Mm-hmm. There's metal screws going through it.
Awesome. I want to go look inside.
Okay. There it is.
Awesome. Nice and snug.
Mm-hmm.
Yay, and it's nice and flush. What's this thing?
That's the fuel hose line. That's so it gets air to the pump.
Oh, okay. But the gas goes in here.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yay! So will we not be able to stick it in, or how do we do that? Because the floor is...
We're just gonna have to build a bump out or something. That I can't possibly make that any better.
Yeah. Okay. Yay! So now we test it?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet. What you doing?
I am looking at this air ride seat, which I think needs another part, but I, for the life of me, don't know what that part is.
Where
This
does
is-
that part go?
Somewhere. These things don't come with instructions at all, so they're very hard to figure out.
Yeah.
Because it goes up, and the absorber does work, but there's nothing holding it in this position where it's supposed to stay.
Oh.
So it just plops back down.
Isn't it supposed to do that?
Well, yeah, but it's supposed to stay up here.
You're sure about that?
Mm-hmm. Because otherwise, if it's all the way down here, it doesn't actually do anything.
Oh. Okay, sounds like we gotta YouTube it.
Yeah. Or abandon it, one or the other.
No. So while Alphonse is doing all that, I've been attempting to organize all of this stuff. So I actually took a lot of it and put it here in this box. So it's just a box of stuff. But then I also put a lot of it up here. We have like this cool little compartments. I put all of our respirators, our masks, our little light bulbs, and paper towels. So now we have a clean seat because it was just all there. But yeah, because we're going to need to basically get everything off of this floor so we can start painting it. We've got a lot of the floor painted.
Can you move that gallon of paint outside the bus?
Yep. How's it coming?
It's coming.
Well, y'all, it's time for our final wrap-up video. So as you can see, we have a pearly white floor. Yay! And this is, this is the bare bones. So we're gonna put foam board on top and then the plywood, but we were able to get the fuel hose. Yay! So next time we're gonna test it to see if we can get gas in it, and much better than before. But I have never seen the bus this empty, at least on this part. You can really start seeing the vision come together, which is super exciting. Alrighty. Say adios. It was locked. Woo! Bye, Bluebell. We love you.